Alright, so what's up, Quad Squad? Back at it with another one, and today I'm just making a little information video about my joysticks that I make, the QwadSteers. And I saw them on QwadSquad.com. Hit it up down in the description. But I wanted to show you just like an installation video, give you a little explanation about the joysticks and stuff like that. So I've now made them compatible with Permobil or not Permobil. But like the thing is, like this is like one of my original designs. This is like version 6 of them, because I kept trying to make it more strong. So you can get it in like TPU, which is a rubber, more kind of smoother filament, or like material, I guess you'd call it. And then you can make it in PLA, which is still smooth. It's still nice. But the other one's just a little bit more rubbery. I like the way it feels on my quad hands and stuff like that. And like I've always made it with the exact size that your pin is. But for some reason, I feel like there's the tiniest little variation on that size hole on a lot of Permobil wheelchairs. So with that, I wanted to figure out a way to make it so that I can make it so you get 3 different sizes, and whatever one fits on your joystick the tightest and makes it work the best, then you just insert that in the joystick. So here's my final design. So there's a little size thing. And then with that, you get 3 different sizes. And with those 3 different sizes, I'll give you one version. So here. Man. Anyways, I dropped it. Quad hands. You get 3 different sizes. And then you choose which size fits the best. And then you just pop it into that hole. Like, here's like version 2 of the design. I made it a little bit of a different shape insert, but yeah. And then bingo bango, you've got your joystick. They also come in flight style, like joystick version, and they also come in like a goalpost. Anyways, at the end of the video, I'll show you how I do the design and how I do the Shopify and how I do, the printing of it. But anyways, I'm gonna call over my PSW to show you how you get this in and how you make it work. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to put it on. So basically turn off your chair, pull that eyes thingies, so one of these blue thingies. Then you pop it on to see if it's tight. You wanna make sure it fits on snug, like that. And like, you wanna try 1, 2, and 3, try all 3 sizes and then see which one works the best for you. Whatever's tightest and works the best, then you just take it out. Oh, down goes the joystick. Show on the camera. Like put the rubber thing in the hole.
Should I remove this one?
Yeah, remove it. And then you pop it in the hole. Yeah. And then push it in. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Make sure you turn off the chair so you don't kill anything. And then bam. And then there you go. New joystick. And it's on there good. No coming off, no rotating. Best design yet. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys more about it. Let's jump into it. Alright. So, if you stuck around this long and you're just interested in how I do what I do, well, let me show you how I do what I do and all of that jazz. So anyways, here's my computer set up. Here's my website. With that, so you've got QwadSquad.com. I put a lot of time and effort into designing this website. And with that, I'll make a video by itself showing you all the things and what it does and how it functions. But this video is just to show you a glimpse with it on the joysticks. So if you go products, you'll find wheelchair joysticks. When you click on that, it'll bring you to this page, which shows you the 3 models of joysticks I have. When I'm posting this, I think I'm going to do like a tri-pack where it's like, you buy 2, you get all 3 with the correct sizings and stuff. But yeah, so like, we've got the QwadSteer original, which has come up with a different version now. It's just been, improved on so many times. And then there is the goalpost. That one's also been improved on many different times. So it looks a little bit different in the picture. It's more smooth to your hand. It's more supportive. Just all of these different improvements I could think of. And now it's got the new sizing system on it. And then there's the fighter jet system, which also a bunch of improvements to it. Looks pretty similar, just a little different. I did a slight modification to it when I redid the new sizing system. And yeah, and that's where you find all my joysticks. I'm gonna leave a discount down in the description. Anyway, so like, how did I do it? How did I design? So I used Tinkercad. So if you look to the right of my screen, this is where I do all my designs. Up in the top left corner, the red and baby blue, someone asked me to do a custom joystick for them. Something that worked to the mold of their hand. So I tried to do that. You know, if you need a big one for your hand, that's what you can find down here on the left. You know, you need the goalpost design. That's the new goalpost design that I have. So there's a little bit more support on it. There's more, you know, support on the bottom. It's more rounded. You know, it's more, you know, prominent on the edges to hold your hands in and stuff like that. And then this is the newest design over here, which is the QwadSteer, with a little bit of extra support on the bottom, and it's got the cutout. On the QwadSteer original, I don't really put the name on it, Quad Squad on it, because I don't really know where to fit it. If you guys have an idea for it. But then over here is the fighter jet one. I just finished redesigning that, so that's the new design and such, you know, and basically that's all that. So now once I've finished the design by putting a bunch of different shapes together, then I take it over to my print software. What's my print software? I use my Bamboo P1P printer, and it is called Orca Slicer. So it's like the Bamboo Slicer, but they put a lot of improvements into it. It's really great. I love my printer. I love my Bamboo printer. It's such simplicity. I can multi-print. You know, if you guys want any color under the rainbow, hit me up, and I can make literally your joystick in any color, any size. You want a custom joystick because you have a certain idea, I can do it. Just hit me out by email for a certain request. And yeah, and then once we do that, we do the print parameters, press slice print. But anyways, so then you press print. And then when you press print, you send it to the printer, bang, bang, boom, and it prints like this. And if you guys tune in tomorrow, I'm going to go live from my place. I don't know if Sheldon's doing part of it or not, but I've decided I'm going to start going live every single Sunday. So you guys can ask your questions about being a quadriplegic, having a disability, traveling the world, you know, how I'm running a business, you know, all of these things, running a YouTube channel, you know, what I do with my daily life, just you know, Q&A about anything you guys want to ask me. You know, I want to hear back from you guys, I want to hear your input. It'd be great to see you guys and have you guys ask questions. Anyways, with that, take it easy. You know, one love. I do it for you guys. And, you know, maybe check out one of these other videos. And, yeah, with that, keep coming back. I do it for you. Peace.